Good product but delay in delivery. Happy for this product. Very fast delivery from Amazon. I ordered in the afternoon and received next morning. The price was also very competitive by the seller Cloudtail India. Installation and demo was completed within few hours of delivery. The only disappointing part was the executive who came for demo and installation. He was more interested in selling accessories like stand and water softener. I somehow managed to get it installed without any accessory. Washing machine is working perfectly. Extremely happy with it. Awesome product, love it. The product is of fine quality and it is huge size, so that is a plus. Received the product on time. Waiting for the service guy, so will elaborate on the working. Awesome product, I personally suggest everyone to buy these. At this budget, this is best. Whirlpool products are always top quality. I seriously like that it. Have added video and a pic, take a look at it. Thanks Amazon. When it comes to top load washing machine, Whirlpool is the best that is available in India. Amazon service is at par. I was surprised. Machine delivered in time and a person who visited to deliver machine has done inspection and delivery in just 5 minutes. Post delivery I got a call from Whirlpool service center and demo has been scheduled. Whirlpool engineer was knowledgeable and humble. He did his job perfectly. I am in awe of this machine. In couple of reviews PPL said machine makes sound, but it doesn't much make sound. Very easy to use. Put clothes, start the machine, it will gauge the load and tell you how much detergent powder requires. That's it. Shut the cover and forget it. In 45 minutes your clothes are ready. Whirlpool service is very nice. I got 3 calls ensuring about delivery, installation and demo. Post installation I am getting periodically calls for how machine is functioning. Also they give reminder calls if you want to order liquid detergent. Very good product. Very good product. Working is very smoothly. Click link in description for more reviews.